Hello guys, this is Hello guys, this is me, Rafael0901, and I finally got my stack mat. And I bought it at their center or office, and it's 1,400 pesos. And here, I just unboxed it, sorry. And this is the first time I got my stack mat. Speed stacks. Oh, so here's the competition timer. Oops, how do you... Oh yeah, that's magnetic. So wait, let me show you. And this is the bag, so... Wait, let me put it down. Oh, sorry. Here. Let me set this